Hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. I welcome you all to the new episode of Tech Learn. As I promised you in the previous video, I will be starting new series uh, for the F5 DNS. So I named it as Masterclass F5 DNS. This is going to be the first video of this series, and in the future I will be adding more videos to it. So let's get started. So the course which I have designed is for the people who are network engineers, the F5 engineers, and the people who are already working on the F5 DNS module and they want to upgrade their knowledge. This is also covers the syllabus for the F5 CTS DNS examination, which is 302. The expectation and prerequisite required for this course is to have basic networking knowledge. In this course, we will be discussing about F5 DNS module. We are not going to cover different modules of F5 such as LTM, ASM, and AFM. This course I have designed it based on the F5 302 blueprint which is provided by the vendor, and that is the reason once you complete this course I can assure you that you will be able to clear the F5 302 exam. So for this course, I have designed the syllabus based upon the blueprint which is provided by the F5. So I have divided this into 6 sections. So in the very first section, we will be covering the basics of DNS. So what is DNS and its hierarchy, then DNS resolution process, and the recursion and the iterative process which is required for the DNS resolution. In the second section, we will be having more focus on the initial configuration of the F5 DNS box, then the different solution provided by the F5 for the DNS resolution, then basic definitions and concept of the F5 DNS. We will also discuss F5 DNS operations and different tools which are required for us to troubleshoot the issue. In third section, we will be focusing upon the solutions which are provided by the F5. So in third section, we will be working on the accelerated solution. In this section, we will be having multiple labs. So we will be discussing about the F5 DNS pool, DNS cache, DNS express, and the resolution flow overview. The section 4, I have reserved it for the intelligent DNS resolution which is given by the F5. So in this, we will be discussing about the wide IP, different DNS objects which is required for the DNS wide IP configuration, and the monitors. In the fifth section of this course, we will be having overview about the load balancing methods, its metric collection, and what is the data center, servers, virtual servers in the F5 DNS. In the very last section, we will be having discussion about the iQuery. What is iQuery, how it is going to work, that we are going to see. Also, what is DNSSEC, what is the high availability, and how it is different from the F5 LTM. In this section, we will configure and troubleshoot the different types of F5 DNS HA configuration issues. For your reference, I have attached the syllabus provided by the F5 for 302 examination. You can check the description box for that. So in the next video, we will be starting with the section 1, where we will be looking at the basics of DNS. So see you in the next episode. Stay tuned for this. Bye bye.